Okay, next 3 marks question, three-dimensional geometry chapter. Okay, na? So first question, find the distance between the lines, the vector or this line, this, right? So idu will take a1 and this one is b1. Okay, this one a2, I'll take this is b2. See here, b1 and b2 vector are same vector, right? Then these two lines are parallel lines, right? Okay, first to write a1 vector is equal to I plus 2j minus 4k. Okay, next, and a2 vector is equal to what? 3i plus 3j minus 5k. Okay, right. Here b1 vector equal to b2 vector. These two vectors are parallel. That is equal to I plus 3j plus 6k cap. So what is the distance between parallel lines? The formula will write d equal to modulus of b1 vector. Okay, b1 vector cross a2 vector minus a1 vector divided by magnitude of b vector. Okay, right. Okay, first to find b1 cross a2 minus a1 vector. Okay, right. See, a2 vector minus a1 vector equal to, what is a2 here? 3i plus 3j minus 5k minus I minus 2j minus plus 4k. a2 cross a1 is equal to, here 3i minus I becomes 2i. 3j plus 2 minus 2j becomes what? J. Minus 5k plus 4k becomes minus kk. Okay, a2 minus a1. So you know b1 vector cross a2 minus a1 vector equal to, okay, determinant of what? I, j, k. Write the coefficient. b1 vector coefficient is 2, 3, 6, and here 2, 1, minus 1. Okay, that is equal to I cap minus 3 minus 6, right? Minus j cap minus 2 minus 6 to the 12 plus k cap into bracket 2 minus 6, right? So that is equal to minus 9i minus 14 minus plus 14j and minus 4k cap. Okay, so b1 cross a2 minus a1, then their magnitude, the magnitude of, see, magnitude of b1 cross a2 minus a1 vector magnitude equal to root of minus 9 square plus 14 square plus minus 4 square. Okay, so that is equal to 9 square is 81 plus 14 square is 196 plus 4 square is 16. Okay, so add this one, 293. Okay, right. So next, find magnitude of b1 vector. Magnitude of b1 vector is equal to root of, what is b1 here? 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square. So that is equal to, magnitude of b1 equal to root of 2 square becomes 4, 3 square becomes 9, 6 square becomes 36 is equal to root 49. Root 49 is equal to what? 7. Then d equal to, okay, right. What is d value? See the formula, right? Already find it ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲಿ value one. So substitute here, root 293 divided by 7. Okay, So it will be positive root 293 divided by 7. Okay, yes, first question complete. Okay, next second question. Find the shortest distance between line L1 and L2 whose vector equations are given, right? Okay, see, this is A1. All right, the given vectors A1 equal to I plus J. Okay, plus 0 K value, right? So next, I'll write B1 equal to 2I minus J plus K cap. Next, A2 equal to 2I plus J minus K. This is A2. Next, B2 equal to 3I minus 5J plus 2K cap. Okay, right. See, so what is the formula? Shortest distance between two lines, D equal to, know the formula, right? A2 minus A1, okay, so dot B1 vector cross B2, B1 vector cross B2 divided by magnitude of B1 cross B2. Okay, so modulus. First you find A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 equal to, what is A2 here? 2I plus J minus K minus I here minus J. Okay, so 0K. So minus 0K, right? So that is equal to 2I minus I becomes what? I. J minus J cancel. Okay, remaining is what? Minus K only. So this is the A2 minus A1 vector. Next to find B1 cross B2. B1 cross B2. So B1 vector cross B2 vector equal to determinant of what? I, J, K. Okay. So what is the B1 vector coefficient? Here it is 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 5, 2. Okay. To find B1 cross B2, then that is equal to I into bracket. So minus 1 into 2 becomes minus 2 minus 5 into 1 becomes minus 5 minus plus 5 minus J cap. E column 2 2s are 4 minus 3 and last one plus K into bracket 2 into minus 5 minus 10 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus plus 3. Okay, then V1 cross B2 is equal to, so minus 2 plus 5 becomes 3 I cap minus, okay, 4 minus 3 1 minus J cap. Next minus 7 K cap. So this is B1 cross B2. Okay, right. So next to find B1 cross B2 magnitude, that is equal to root of what? 3 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 7 square. So that is equal to 3 square becomes 9, 1 square becomes 1, 7 square becomes 49. So that is equal to root 50, 59. Okay, right. See, distance D equal to, what is the formula? You know already, A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 divided by magnitude of B1 cross B2. Okay, modulus, that is equal to, so what is A2 minus A1 already find ಮಾಡಿದೆ, I minus K cap in dot B1 cross B2 is equal to what? 3I minus J cap minus 7 cap divided by, so what is the, so magnitude of B1 cross B2 is root 59. Okay, right, that is equal to, see, D equal to, so dot product ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ coefficient ಅನ್ನು multiple ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 into 1 becomes 3, here it is 0, right? So next minus 1 into minus 7 becomes plus 7 divided by root 59. Okay, 3 plus 7 becomes what? 10, 10 by root 59. Okay, right. Find the distance between the lines. Okay, same last question ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So okay, we write first given vectors a1 equal to I plus 2j cap plus k cap and b1 vector equal to I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Okay, next to a2 vector equal to 2I minus j minus k cap and b2 vector equal to 2I plus j plus 2k cap. Right, same formula. First, what is, I will write the formula. Distance d equal to a2 vector minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 divided by, okay, so magnitude of b1 cross b2. Okay, so right. So next, first you find a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1 equal to, so what is a2 minus a1? Here minus 2I minus j minus k cap a2 minus I and minus 2j minus k cap. See here, so a2 minus a1 is equal to 2I minus I becomes I minus j minus 2j becomes minus 3j minus k becomes what? Minus 2k cap. Right, so a2 minus a1. Next, to find b1 cross b2, so that is equal to, okay, so determinant of I, j and k. Okay, right, write the coefficient. b1 vector coefficient is 1 minus 1 1 2 1 2. Okay, yes, that is equal to, okay, I into bracket, so minus 1 into 2 becomes minus 2 minus 1 minus j. Okay, right, see, 1 into 2 becomes 2, 2 into 1 becomes 2 plus k cap, and 1 into 1 becomes 1 minus 2 into 1 becomes minus 2 minus minus what? Plus 2. That is equal to minus 2 minus 1 becomes minus 3I cap, and here 0j cap, and this one is plus 3k cap. Okay, so b1 cross b2. Right, next, to find determinant of b1 cross b2, magnitude of b1 cross b2, that is equal to minus 3 square plus 0 square plus 3 square. Okay, so that is equal to 3 square becomes 9 plus 0 plus 9, 9 plus 9 becomes root 18. Okay, right, see, next, so know the formula. D equal to, so D equal to a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2, so that is divided by what? So magnitude of b1 cross b2. Okay, modulus. So what is a2 minus a1? So a2 minus a1 is equal to, so I minus 3j minus 2k dot, what is b1 cross b2? Minus 3I plus 3k, okay, divided by, so what is the magnitude of b1 cross b2? Root 18. That is equal to, right, dot product is there, multiple of the coefficient. Here it is 1, 1 into minus 3 becomes minus 3 and 0. Okay, there is no j coefficient, 0. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6 divided by root 18. Okay, that is equal to minus 3 minus 6 becomes 9, 9 by root 18. Okay, then so distance is in positive, that is 9 by root 18. Find the shortest distance between the lines. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನ equation ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ a1 ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, b1 ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, c1 ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ equation. The given equation is, can I write x minus, ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದೆ, minus 1 divided by 7. Okay, is equal to y minus minus 1 divided by minus 6 is equal to z minus minus 1 divided by 1. So these are the, okay, the coefficients of a1 vector. So can I write a1 vector equal to minus I and minus j minus k cap. So b1 vectors is equal to, okay, these are the ratio of b1 vector, 7I minus 6j, okay, plus k cap, right? So a1 b1. So next equation is x minus 3 divided by 1, y minus 5 divided by minus 2, and z minus 7 divided by 1. Okay, let's see. You write a2 vector. A2 vector is equal to 3i plus 5j plus 7k, and b2 vector equal to, see, I minus 2j and plus k cap, right? So to find the distance, the formula you know that first you find a2 minus a1. So a2 is 3i plus 5j plus 7k minus, here it is a1, minus plus j plus k. Okay, so that is equal to a2 minus a1 equal to, so 3i plus j becomes 4i plus 6j plus 8k. Okay, this is a2 minus a1. Next, to find b1 cross b2. So now b1 cross b2 equal to, is equal to, so determinant of I, j and k. Right? Write the coefficient of b1 vector here, 7 minus 6 and 1. b2 vector 1 minus 2 1. Okay, expand ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so that is equal to I into minus 6 minus plus 2 minus j into 7 minus 1 plus k into minus 14 minus plus 6, right? So next, that is equal to minus 4i, 7 minus 1 becomes 6, minus 6j minus minus 8 k cap, right? So this is b1 cross b2. b1 cross b2. Okay, next, to find b1 cross b2 magnitude is equal to root of minus 4 square plus minus 6 square plus minus 8 square. So that is equal to root 16 plus 36 plus 64. Okay, see, 80, 100 plus 16 becomes what? 116, right? So next, what is distance formula? a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 divided by magnitude of b1 cross b2. So that is equal to, what is a2 minus a1? So a2 minus a1 becomes 4i plus 6j plus 8k dot, what is b1 cross b2? Minus 4i minus 6j minus 8k divided by root 116. Okay, so next what? Just multiple by coefficient. 4 4s are 16, minus 16 minus 36 minus 84 divided by root 116. Okay, minus 116 divided by root 116, right? So then, okay, its positive distance will be in positive, 116 divided by root 116. That is equal to, see, root 116. Okay, can I write root 116 into root 116 into root 116 divided by root 116? Here cancel root 116. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇದೆ. Derive the equation of a line in a space passing through the given point and parallel to the given vector in vector form. ಬರೀ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಈ ಎ ಪಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈನು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಬಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಲೈನು. ಸೊ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಐತಿ. ಎ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? Parallel to B vector. Okay. So now the vector, if the lines are parallel, vector ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? AP equal to so lambda into B vector. Okay, ಇದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, right? AP vector ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? The position of P vector minus position of A vector is equal to lambda B vector. So what is the position of P vector? Position of P vector is R vector minus position of A vector is, position of A vector means, so A vector is equal to what? A vector is equal to lambda B vector. Okay, so take A that side, so that is equal to R vector equal to A vector plus lambda B vector. Okay, this is the equation of a line passing through the point and parallel to the vector, right? So explanation in madri, so lane ide adella barabeku. Let O be the origin and A be the fixed point with the position vector is A. Then OA is equal to A vector. Let R be the position vector of the point, what? Point P on the line thrown A and parallel to the what? B vector. Then what is OP vector? OP vector is equal to R vector, right? Okay, so ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು 6 ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯಾವ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ಐ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಿಟಿ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.